Alright, so this is me right now. Well, not right now, but I took this video earlier. I'm taking a video of a video, but this was me designing this Cyber Bunny character that I got from AI. I told AI to make me a robotic bunny. So what it did was give me a 2D picture, as you can see in the background here. You can see that little picture. That's basically the picture that I used, and I was able to create this just by, I'm just designing, using shapes, playing around. I'm getting all right with the tools, but I'm just gonna speed this up because I want to show you guys something else. So we're gonna speed this up. My character, I have the character with the cape and without the cape. So right now I was sizing it. I was actually sizing it right now. So that character that sizing, it just looks flat, it doesn't look big, but in virtual reality it looked like 20 feet. Okay, not 20 feet. It was 12 feet tall. Alright, so that's my Cyber Bunny character. I'm gonna speed it up a little bit more because that's just the sizing of it. Yeah, and then I was bringing it smaller down. Got the cape on. So I had the cape on and I took the cape off. So yeah, so that's the character, my Cyber Bunny character I created. Yeah, Gravity Sketch is really good. It's the future. So let me show you something else. We're gonna pause this. So here's my character, rigged. If you know anything about graphic designing, computer animations, you gotta rig the character, and then I don't like that Sugarfoot pose. And then the character can be like, you gotta rig the character, and then you can animate the character. So this is my character rigged. This is after Gravity Sketch. I took it into Blender, another 3D program, got rid of all the extra parts that I didn't need, and then I rigged the character. And it's a pretty good rig, I'm not gonna lie. See, 3D walk-in. I can make him run, I can make him dance, I can make him sit, I can make him give somebody the finger. I'm not gonna do that, but I'm just saying. So I'm gonna show you a little bit more. This is the hands. I'm not sure if you guys can really see that. Get better light. Okay, yeah, that's better light. So there's hands. These other ones, it's just like frozen. It doesn't really show its hands moving, but this one does. So, see him stretching. Let's see, and I designed this character. This is my character. So what else I can do? I can put him into a video game. I can make an animated movie with him. I can also just sell him in the metaverse to people who want avatars. They probably won't, they might not want this specific character. They might be like, oh, I don't like him. But at the end of the day, I have a bunch of different other characters too. And this is me just starting off. I'm just learning how to use virtual reality to create 3D assets. So yeah, and as you can see, there's little spots missing on his body. To be honest, it doesn't matter to me right now. This is impressive, and this is to go. All I have to do to fix that, go back into Gravity Sketches and line up the vertices. Other than that, this guy's good to go. His elbows rigged properly. I can change his color anytime. I can make him all fur. I can make him all metal, which I'm gonna do in Blender. I'm gonna make him all metal. And I'm gonna slap his cape on him because he actually has a cape, but I took him off because I thought it would mess up the rig. But you know, thank you guys for watching. That's under his feet. Horrible. Thank you guys for watching. Appreciate checking out my work. And yeah, that's it. So good. Yeah.